Our box. Oh, I don't know if it's the candle, the crystals, the sage, the bath bomb. I don't know what it is, but I feel like calm, relax just by looking at this PR box. Really quick, it's so cute because in every box there was like, here there was the crystals. It says I got 99 problems, but my vibes ain't one. And it has these 3 different crystals inside of this fabric bag. And then here it says burn baby burn, and here are like matches for this sage. And then let's see what it says here. It says a bunch of good things. Love how it smells, this one here. And then there is these cat ears, these silky scrunchies, and it says pretty pleased with the scrunchie on top. Here we have the hairbands. Here we have the candle. It says things are lighting up, things are heating up. And then here there are the cloth, and it says up cloth and personal. And then here is the bath bomb. It says bomb diggity. And here are the 5 full-size products. BFD Cleansing Oil. Then we have the AM to the PM Gel Cleanser. Then we have the Keep Clear Clarifying Tonic. And then we have this one, which is the Lightweight Hydrator. It's going to be our best friend, Later Header Spot Treatment. This one, from what I have tried before, the solution, you're not supposed to like shake it. You need to let the solution sit at the bottom, and then with a cotton swab, you just like put it inside and touch the solution at the bottom. Put it on the spot, and then you let it dry, and that's going to help you to treat that hater. And then this one is the roller, the crystal one, and this says stop, drop, and roll. Excited for this line. I've been getting so many messages previously about what do you recommend affordable skincare, and I was able to recommend to a lot of people certain product from different brands. A specific like brand that I could recommend that says, oh my god, all the products are amazing and affordable for skincare. So I'm excited for this one, and I can't wait to try it. And this one is dropping tomorrow, and I'm gonna try it tonight. Around like 10 to 12 midnight, if you guys stay with me awake. If not, you can watch it tomorrow before your lunch on the stories. But I'm gonna try them later tonight and see how it works before lunch.